People don't regret losing you because you begged. They regret losing you when you become silent. Silence is a mirror. It forces them to see the truth they were running from. When you stop reacting, they start remembering every moment they took for granted. When you withdraw, they begin to regret the comfort they lost. When you choose peace, might they feel the weight of what they destroyed. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you, even when you say nothing. 1. You observe everything but react to nothing. Nothing scares a guilty person more than your calm silence. Your lack of reaction exposes their behavior louder than your anger ever could. You punish them by not giving them the show they wanted. Observation without reaction is the highest form of control. 2. You don't argue, you simply detach. Detachment is a language toxic people can't understand. Your silence tells them you're done explaining what they already know. You win not by fighting, but by refusing to participate. When you detach, they finally feel the emptiness they created. 3. You choose distance over drama. Distance reveals more truth than confrontation ever will. You confuse them the moment you stop giving them access. Silence plus distance, it equals power they can't touch. You become untouchable when you stop entertaining chaos. 4. You stay kind, even when they expect an explosion. Your calmness exposes their instability. Kindness under control is power, not weakness. When you respond with grace, their guilt speaks louder than your words. Your silence and kindness together create the lesson they weren't ready for. 5. You let karma handle the justice. You don't chase revenge, and you trust timing. People drown in the manipulation they create. Silence lets karma speak for you. Life teaches them the lessons you stopped wasting energy explaining. 6. You value peace more than people-pleasing. Control only works when you crave their approval. The moment you choose peace, they lose not access to your energy. You stop pleasing them and suddenly they panic. Peace is the boundary that exposes everyone's true intentions. 7. You let them wonder what changed. Mystery is more powerful than confrontation. You stop explaining and they start regretting. Your silence becomes the closure they never wanted. You become unreadable, and that's what breaks them. Ignorance hurts, but silence punishes. People don't fear being exposed, they fear being ignored. Your silence is the moment they finally meet the consequences of their own actions. When you walk away quietly, regret walks toward them loudly. People don't regret losing you when you shout, they regret it when you finally go silent. Stay calm, stay private, stay unreachable to those who took you for granted.